Hey, welcome to San Diego. So, probably can't tell because the sun's shining on us now. We've just parked up at the Catamaran Resort where we're staying for a couple of days. The beach is just over this side. We've literally just parked, but we've actually, if I show you this way, you see that blue sky and palm trees and our great car and all that. You won't believe me if I tell you that for the last 2 hours driving down the mountain from Julian Pie, it has been English biblical sideways rain all the way down. In fact, if I do this, oh, it doesn't even look so bad on camera.
There's a kind of a bit of a patch just here.
So it has been absolutely horrific. So in fact, you can kind of see on the car how absolutely soaked it is. We just had to drive down the freeway in like crazy spray. There was crashes and oh, it was awful. Yeah. But we're here now. Yes. So we're here at Catamaran Resort. We're going to go and check in, find out a bit more about the local area, and then we'll take you for a walk around the room. Have our room key. We've had a pretty extensive briefing down at reception, which was really good to get all the information that we'll need. We're just walking along through this beautiful property.
Wow, there's ducks and fish.
There's ducks. Check out these ducks. I don't know if you can see that. We'll have to find them. Oh. There's the ducks. They have some. These are the guys. We're walking down towards a room. Got some little tiki guys here. So we are down this little way. So as you can see, we were just saying about the blue sky. Thank the Lord. So there's a lot going on here at the hotel. So they have a cruise that goes out every sort of hour and a half through the evening. So we're maybe going to try and do that this evening. We've got dinner reservations at Oceana, which is the on-site restaurant. We've got a spa here, which Annie will potentially have a little bit of a look at. I'm just going to stop 1 second just so you can see. Look at the size.
Now these koi carp, can I just
these bad boys.
We used to have koi carp at home. These are old boys, these are, because koi carp start off quite small and they take years to get this big, so these must have been here for years.
So there's all these crazy wildlife. Look at these beautiful ducks over here. Yeah, so there's a spa, there's a restaurant, and there's a cruise going out this evening. So we are 610. So I think we're down on the corner. There's a very helpful lady at reception who's given us a ton of information, which was really useful.
May.
610.
This is us.
610. Okay. So reaction video time. So this is what I was just showing you. We've got exotic bird show, we've got the cruise that goes out, we've got water sports. Okay, so we're going in. Annie's just opened the door. We're in the hibiscus suite. Okay, you ready for this? Hibiscus suite.
And then I'd start.
Okay, we don't know where to start.
Okay, entrance area. So let's start in the bathroom. Got a big
This
bath
is bathroom number 1.
Lovely.
With a TV in the mirror. Love that.
Lovely idea there. That's good.
Big deep tub. Lovely rain shower. Lovely big bed. Great. All really nicely laid out. We've got tea and coffee. Check these bad boys out. Got our TV. I'm going to do the inside first. We've got some double doors. Second bathroom, obviously necessary. Okay, we've got a lounge area just here, which is pretty amazing.
Yeah, should we go that side?
Okay, so now we're going to take you out onto our patio. Onto our private patio, I should say. Okay. So we bought our own hammock thinking that it would be cool to lie on a hammock. We didn't realise we'd get a hammock, so... And here is the bay. You come around. So we're right on the... So you can see this is us too. And we can step That looks like a wedding there.
Yeah, that does. I can imagine getting married here is very, very wonderful.
Okay, so we're actually getting a bit of spitting now, so you can believe me when I say that the wedding. In fact, this is the blue sky that we're looking at, and this is where we've come from. See all this over here? This is where we've been, and it is actually spitting a bit at the moment. So this guy's out on jet skis on the bay. There's a bit of a pier here, and the beach, which hopefully it's due to be nice weather tomorrow. So hopefully we'll get the best of it tomorrow. I think this is where the boat will moor up later, so you can get the cruise out. Yep. So yeah, so this is a little patio area.
So storage is obviously important in a hotel. So in here we have some of the Catamaran hotel robes, a safe, which is great, and a fridge as well. What's this? Oh, it's an iron. Always good, some extra pillows and stuff. So this is what a lot of the other rooms will have. Obviously you can have a waterside view, which a lot of people have got up here. This is our little patio as well. So we've got 2 patios here. There we go. She's gonna look at something. She said mention a fire pit. I think she means this.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a grate in the bottom.
Yep. So this is a fire pit.
So they'll load that up with logs and send
Yep.
Oh, no, it lights. It's
Oh,
gas.
cool.
So that
So
ring
they
will...
can ring them. Perfect. There we go. Let's hope the weather's a bit better so we can sit out here.
Yep, so the sun's shining.
Yep. There we go. So back at the hotel room after an amazing dinner on site, just having a bit of a chilled evening. Gonna put the fire pit on in a second and go and sit and have a relaxing evening. Sorry, thought I heard something. It's a relaxing evening. Nick's had quite a drive today, coming from the desert and then over to San Diego. Sea kayaking tomorrow, and then having dinner in La Jolla. Really excited about going to La Jolla. I've always wanted to go. So that's going to be fun, but a bit of a combination of some activity, but then plenty of chill time. Good morning from San Diego. We're on our way to La Jolla for our sea kayaking session. Sun's out, makes a difference from yesterday when it decided to rain, but luckily nice blue skies, so it should be quite good going sea kayaking, having a tour. We're in a group, so hopefully meet some like-minded people who enjoy a bit of adventure like us. And yeah, just enjoying San Diego for the first part of our visit here.
Hey guys, welcome to La Jolla Shores. So we are, let me get this around, we are here with Everyday California. These guys are taking us out on a kayak tour at 12 o'clock. So we were just having a chat with them and they're saying there's tons of wildlife out at the moment. So there's going to be turtles, sea lions, dolphins, so fingers crossed we'll see some of that stuff. So this place is awesome. So as I say, we're in La Jolla Shores. And it's kind of it's a shop and a rental place and a tour place, and everything's really, really nice. So they've got all their own branded clothes, which are all really cool. So you can see we've got Everyday California. Every day should be California. So we're going to head for a coffee. Our tour's going out in about 45 minutes, and then we'll come back. We'll take you through getting kitted up, what we're going to wear, where we're going to go, and then we'll tell you about us. Metallica off while he's singing that.
Beach Boys. All the way to La Jolla.
Okay, so for a bit of fun, I've just grabbed one of these scooters, which are everywhere here. So it's an electric scooter. This one is the Bird brand, so you get an app for it. It's got to go, it's got to stop. I'm coming down there in a sec. So we're out on the beach. This is our apartment. This is Annie on the beach. Me on the scooter. I'm going to go and have a ride along this promenade thing that runs, so you can see some other people just here on exactly the same little scooter that I've just picked up. So I'm going to take it for a spin. Let's see how we get on. I'm not going to film to start off with. I might come back to you. So Ags, where are we going and what are we doing?
Okay, so we're off to 910 restaurant in La Jolla. Watch out for the flame behind you. We're just getting an Uber to La Jolla so we can both have a little drink, maybe explore the area a little bit. Yeah, that's about it. I'm very excited about more delicious food in the area. Last night we were at the hotel restaurant and we had some delicious sushi. We even had sushi this afternoon. All kinds of seafood related dishes that we've been having. Yeah, so really excited about exploring a little bit more. Obviously we did the kayaking at La Jolla Shores today. Yeah, been quite a fun-filled day. And
you've been on the beach?
Yeah, I've been on the beach. Nick went
been on
a
a scooter. These are the flames Annie was talking about, by the way.
And we have a fire pit. So
no, we're not hearing the end of the fire pit
I know,
situation.
I'm going to have a fire pit. So we're just racing at my normal walking speed to get the Uber. So the Uber man is not going to have it. Or Uber woman.
Uber person?
His name is William. His name is William.
Uber man. That's not to say that he's an Uber man.
He's not an Uber man. He's in a Hyundai Elantra. I don't know. I can't actually see. Woo. There we go.
So we're going to take you from our hotel here in Mission Bay, and we're going to go up into La Jolla and we're going to show you around La Jolla. Welcome to 910 at the Grand Colonial Hotel in La Jolla. So we're here for dinner this evening, which the menu looks, I'm destroying the menu actually. The menu looks fantastic. Annie is just with me.
Now I'm destroying the table.
No, Annie's destroying the table. So we are seated outside, thank goodness, in this beautiful Southern California weather that we were so praying for when we were getting all that horrible rain yesterday. So probably get blinded by the sun, but this is the sea view and the sunset. This is the pool here at the Grand Colonial. I'll put you in the glass. Just see the sea down there, look at the blue sky. Someone has to do it. It's a tough job. Someone has to do it, and that's what we're here for you. So this is not for us.
No.
It's not for us.
No.
It's for you.
It's for you.
So we're gonna do our best for you to enjoy this delicious meal here at 910 at the Grand Colonial.
Greetings from our hammock. It's really sad because we're about to leave the Catamaran Resort Hotel. This has been lovely, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been awesome. You couldn't imagine a more perfect place just for a couple of days of relaxation. Not that that's what we've had because we're so busy.
Yeah.
But this place is fantastic. There's so much here. Really nice food, so many activity opportunities literally on your doorstep.
Out here.
So if I just turn to the side, you can see the water just there, and there's people out there there's been jet skis, there's been water skiing, there's been stand-up paddle boards, there's pedalos, there's anything sort of water-based you can think of. Annie's just been and done
beachside yoga.
Beach yoga on the sand, which was organised by the hotel as one of their activities.
They do other stuff like movie nights, the boat tour as well in the evening. Family session, sort of just for families to go on. And then there's an adults only one. So if you're here just not wanting to necessarily go when families are going, you can enjoy some downtime a bit later, but it's a bit later on, isn't it?
Yeah.
This place is so relaxing. I didn't really expect to see San Diego quite like this. I can see why my mum wants to buy a house in this area, because that's what she said before we came, didn't she? She was like, I really like this area.
That's one of the big things about this location. So we're obviously waterfront here, but this is actually on Mission Bay, so it's not the sea, which makes it really still, and so it's pretty safe, you know. So it's good for families here on the beach, because you know, you've not got that worry about the sea, you've just got this lovely still open water here. But La Jolla, which is quite upscale and is really pretty, is about 15 minutes away, and then in that direction, and then downtown San Diego is about the same, maybe a little bit further in that direction. So even though we're on this really peaceful like stretch of beach, we've got those options really close by as well, which is just brilliant.
Staff are fantastic here. We've had a wonderful stay, and now we are heading into
downtown San Diego, so in the Gaslamp district, which is a place that we very briefly visited before, but not in any depth, so we'll be interested to see what that's like. We're going to head up to Balboa Park, which is where the San Diego Zoo and the Air and Space Museum are based, which we have tickets for. So we're going to ride the trolley up through the Old Town district, up into the park, and then this evening we've got a dinner planned up in a neighbourhood of San Diego called Little Italy, or Lily as we keep calling it. And then tomorrow we're heading out on a boat to go whale watching, so we're in the whale migration season. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to go load the car up, we're going to drive down into San Diego, park up at the Kimpton, and then jump on the trolley and head out to Balboa Park. So we'll take you with us. Oh, and actually, just while I think about it, we're obviously on a hammock. But if I do this, you'll see our little slice of paradise. So this is a view. This is our palm tree view, which is literally from our hammock.
Our hammock.
Pretty good. See you later.
Bye.